Hello friends, welcome to Sanu Prithviraj Education channel. Today I am going to present in this video objective type most important questions with answers for NTSC for 10th students physics series 1, and these questions and answers are very helpful to those friends who are preparing for their competitive exam for IAS, KAS, prelims, IPSC, KPSC and all other exams. So please see this video completely, and after complete watching this video, share this video to your friends and subscribe our channel for next series like 2, 3, 4 so on. Now we have to see questions and answers. So let us start. Question 1. An object is moving with a constant velocity along a straight line in a path of zero fraction. Force is not required. Option 1. Increase its velocity. Option 2. Decrease its momentum. Option 3. Change its direction. Option 4. Keep moving with constant velocity. Option 4. Correct answer. Keep moving with constant velocity. Question 2. The specific heat of a given metal is X joules kilogram raised to minus 1 k raised to minus. If the mass of this metal is doubled, then its specific heat will be option 1 X joules kilograms raised to minus k raised to minus 1. Option 2 2x joules kilograms raised to minus 1 k raised to minus 1. Option 3 3x joules kilograms raised to minus 1 k raised to minus 1. Option 4 x by 2 joules kilograms raised to minus 1 k raised to minus 1. Correct answer is 1 x joules kilograms raised to minus 1 k raised to minus 1. Next question. Question number 3. In the following, the vector quantities are A work, B energy, C momentum, D displacement, E speed, F force. Option 1 A, E and D. Option 2 B, C and F. Option 3 C, D and F. Option 4 B, E and F. Correct answer is option 3 C, D and F. Question 4. When an object is placed beyond 2f of a double convex lens, then the nature and size of the image formed is option 1 virtual, erect and same size as object. Option 2 virtual, inverted and diminished. Option 3 real, erect and diminished. Option 4 real, inverted and diminished. Correct answer is option 4 real, inverted and diminished. Question 5. Assertion A. The phenomenon of total internal reflection occurs only when the light ray travels from a rare medium to denser medium. Reason are: when the light ray travels from rarer medium to denser medium, the refracted ray bends away from the normal. Considering the above, option 1 both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation to A. Option 2 both A and R are true and R is not the correct explanation to A. Option 3 both A and R are false. Option 4 A is false but R is true. Correct answer is 3 both A and R are false. Question 6. A body of mass 10 kg is moving in a circular path of radius 2 meter with a speed of 5 meters second raised to 1. Then centripetal force experienced on the body is option 1 25 N, option 2 75 N, option 3 100 N, option 4 125 N. Correct answer is option 4 125 N. Question 7. The correct sequence of increasing wavelength of the given electromagnetic waves is option 1 gamma rays, X rays, UV rays, visible light, IR rays. Option 2 X rays, UV rays, gamma rays, IR rays, visible light. Option 3 UV rays, X rays, visible light, IR rays, gamma rays. Option 4 IR rays, visible rays, UV rays, X rays, gamma rays. Correct answer is option 1 gamma rays, X rays, UV rays, visible light, IR rays. Question 8. Match the column 1 and 2 with respect to physical quantities and their SI units. Column 1, 1 force, 2 power, 3 charge, 4 work, 5th temperature. Column 2, option A watt, option B joule, option C Kelvin, option D coulomb, option E Newton. Option 1, 1E, 2A, 3D, 4B, 5C. Option 2, 1E, 2D, 3C, 4B, 5A. Option 3, 1B, 2A, 3C, 4D, 5E. Option 4, 1D, 2B, 3A, 4C, 5E. Correct answer is option 1, 1E, 2E, 3D, 4B, 5C. Question 9. The relation between F, U and V of a double convex lens is option 1, 1 by U is equal to 1 by V minus 1 by F. Option 2, 1 by V is equal to 1 by F plus 1 by U. Option 3, 1 by F is equal to 1 by U plus 1 by V. Option 4, 1 by F is equal to 1 by U minus 1 by V. Correct answer is option 3, 1 by F is equal to 1 by U plus 1 by V. Question 10. Assertion A. Spark plug is not present in diesel engine. Reason are, in diesel engine carburetor does the function of spark plug. Considering the above, option 1, A is wrong but R is correct. Option 2, A is correct but R is wrong. Option 3, both A and R are correct and R is the correct explanation to A. Both B and both. Option 4, both A and R are correct but R is not the correct explanation to A. Correct answer is option 2, A is correct but R is wrong. Thanks for watching the video. Please friends, subscribe our channel for the next series of physics, NTSC exam and all other exams, objective type questions and answer which is helps to all the competitive exams. So please kindly subscribe our channel and share this video to all the NTSC exam appearing 10th students and also the all competitive exam preparing friends. So thank you once again, thank you one and all for watching this video.